Okay, welcome back. What are we changing out today? Cabin air filter. Wait, I got two of them. Why do I have two of them? What's going on? No. Your vehicle only takes one. 90% of vehicles only take one cabin air filter. I have two because I have two vehicles that I have to put them in. I thought I should shoot you a quick video and show you how to do this. This particular vehicle is a Hyundai Kona. Where is the cabin air filter? Most vehicles are going to be right behind the glove box is where the location is for your cabin air filter. It's falling. What do you want to do? Simple. And then we'll bring the camera down here a little bit. Let's do that right now. No, let's do it. Open up your glove box. Pull your camera down. On the Konas, sorry about that, right there. Right there. They have one on one side on the left and one on the right. You want to twist and undo them. Pop the little tab out. This will allow the door to drop. The glove box door. Give it a little wiggle. There's the second one out. One on the right, one on the left. Bring your glove box down. You probably will lose everything out of your glove box, but hey, guess what? Nothing's fallen yet. And move the camera a bit. Now, right up inside here, that is where the cabin filter is in behind, right here. On the Kona, there's a little tab right here. Squeeze it together, pull it forward. It's hinged on that side. Remove the door. There's your little tab. There's your hinge. And guess what's there? There's your cabin air filter. Pay attention to the airflow. Arrow's pointing down. It's going to go into the fan. It's coming from the outside of the vehicle into the HVA system. Blower motors below. Pull your cabin filter out. Just pull it ahead. And there you go. You can see how dirty that is. That's pretty dirty. Basically, it's filtering everything from outside before it gets to the blower motor and before it gets to you inside the vehicle. We're going to replace this one here. We're going to pull this out of the way real quick. Again, remember which way your airflow is going. It's going to mark it on the actual cabin air filter. We're going to open this up. A lot of them will come wrapped in plastic. Remove the plastic. Open the plastic. There we go, we're getting this one out. I measured it up to my old one, saying yes, that is correct. And if you take a look, bring this one in, look at how clean this thing is. Look at the cleanliness of this one. Airflow. Can you see that right there? See the arrow? Arrow's pointing downwards. Arrow's going to go through this. All I'm going to do, slide that back in. Oops, put it in sideways. I apologize. There we go. Cabin filter goes in. Grab your little door. There's your hinged part, which is going to fit into the slot right there. And put this back into here. That's it. That is it. Well, that's not it. What do you mean that's it? That's not it. Put the glove box back in. Grab your little tabs. You got to lift up your door enough and then lock that one into place. That's your left one. I'm going to do the right one. Cabin filter change. That's it. Comments, leave them. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, and as always, that's it. We're going to let you go. So, I'm going to grab my little remote thing here and see if it actually works this time.